Picture this: one continuous roof line sweeping from high to low, flooding your home with natural light through floor-to-ceiling windows, creating dramatic vaulted ceilings, and costing you 15 to 20% less than traditional roof designs. That's the power of single-slope Barndominium design, and it's exploding in popularity in 2026. But here's what most people don't know. This modern, sleek design isn't just about looks. It's one of the most efficient, practical, and cost-effective ways to build a Barndominium, and I'm about to show you exactly why. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why architects and builders are calling this the future of affordable custom homes. Before we dive in, do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications, because I'm breaking down real costs, real designs, and honest pros and cons that other channels won't tell you. Let's get into it. What is a single-slope Barndominium? Let's start with the basics. A single-slope roof, also called a shed roof or skillion roof, features one continuous plane that slopes from one side of the building to the other. Think of it like half of a traditional gable roof. Instead of two sides meeting at a peak, you get one elegant slope running the entire length of your structure. Now, here's why this matters for 2026 builds. Single-slope Barndominiums have gone from being primarily used on storage sheds and outbuildings to becoming one of the hottest residential trends. Why? Because they perfectly capture that contemporary, minimalist aesthetic that modern homeowners are craving, while delivering serious functional benefits that save money and increase livability. The typical pitch ranges from 412 to 612, meaning for every 12 inches of horizontal run, the roof rises 4 to 6 inches. This is enough slope to handle rain and snow drainage efficiently, while keeping construction simple and costs down. The higher side of your Barndominium typically reaches 14 to 20 feet, while the lower side sits at 10 to 12 feet, creating this dramatic sloping effect that's become signature to modern architecture. Why single-slope design is so efficient? Now let's talk about why this design is genuinely efficient. And I'm going to give you specifics here, because efficiency means nothing without numbers. First, construction speed and simplicity. Single-slope roofs are among the fastest roof systems to frame and install. We're talking about 30 to 40% faster than complex gable or gambrel systems. Why? Because you're building one continuous plane instead of multiple angles meeting at ridges and valleys. Fewer cuts, fewer measurements, fewer chances for error. For a 40 by 60 Barndominium, a skilled crew can frame and sheath a single slope roof in 3 to 5 days compared to 7 to 10 days for more complex designs. Second, material efficiency. With a single slope, you're minimizing waste. Traditional roofs with multiple planes, valleys, and hips require more cuts and create more scrap. Single-slope design uses materials more efficiently, reducing waste by 20 to 30%. This directly translates to cost savings. On a 2,400 square foot Barndominium, this can save you $2,000 to $4,000 in materials alone. Third, water drainage efficiency. Here's something most people miss. Single-slope roofs are exceptional at shedding water and snow. The continuous slope means water flows in one direction with zero valleys or complex angles where water can pool or ice can build up. In regions with heavy snow, this is critical. Snow naturally slides off, preventing dangerous buildup that can stress your structure. The pitch also promotes excellent drainage, reducing the risk of leaks and water damage by approximately 40% compared to flat or low-slope roofs. Fourth, energy efficiency potential. The high side of your single-slope roof creates space for tall windows or even clear-story windows that flood your interior with natural light. Studies show that proper natural lighting can reduce artificial lighting needs by 50 to 70% during daylight hours. That's real money saved on electricity. Plus, the slope design allows for better insulation placement and air circulation, keeping your home cooler in summer and warmer in winter when properly insulated with spray foam. Fifth, installation simplicity means lower labor costs. Remember, labor typically accounts for 40 to 50% of your total building cost. Simpler construction means fewer labor hours, which means more money in your pocket. For a complete single-slope Barndominium build, you're looking at labor savings of $8,000 to $15,000 compared to complex roof designs. Cost breakdown for single-slope Barndominiums 2026. Let's talk real numbers because that's what matters. Based on 2026 data, here's what you're actually looking at for a single-slope Barndominium. For a 40 by 60 single-slope Barndominium, which gives you 2,400 square feet total, the shell package, including the single-slope roof system, runs approximately $28,000 to $42,000. This includes all framing, metal panels, fasteners, and basic trim. Foundation costs for a reinforced 4-inch slab run $14,400 to $19,200. Assembly and erection by professionals costs $10,000 to $14,000. So your weatherproof shell total sits at $52,400 to $75,200. That's your starting point. Now for interior finishing, which is where costs vary dramatically based on your choices. Budget finishes at $65 to $85 per square foot give you functional, livable space with basic materials. Mid-range finishes at $95 to $145 per square foot deliver quality materials and good aesthetics. High-end finishes at $150 to $220 per square foot provide premium everything. For our 2,400 square foot example with mid-range finishes, you're looking at total turnkey costs of $228,000 to $348,000. That works out to $95 to $145 per square foot, which is significantly less than traditional stick-built homes at $180 to $280 per square foot in 2026. Here's the efficiency advantage. Because single-slope roofs are simpler to construct, you're saving approximately $4,000 to $8,000 on roof framing and installation compared to complex gable or hip roof systems on the same size building. That's money you can invest in better finishes, larger windows, or premium insulation. Design advantages that keep people watching. Now here's where single-slope Barndominiums really shine, and this is what separates them from every other design. The dramatic ceiling heights on the high side create an incredible sense of space. Imagine walking into your living area with 18-foot vaulted ceilings that make a 1,200 square foot space feel like 2,000 square feet. This vertical space doesn't just look impressive, it fundamentally changes how the home feels. Lower ceilings on the bedroom side create cozy, intimate sleeping spaces while the high side hosts your entertaining areas. Natural light opportunities are unmatched. That tall side wall is perfect for massive windows, floor-to-ceiling glass, or clear-story windows near the roofline. You can install 8-foot-tall windows that would be impossible or prohibitively expensive in traditional designs. This creates homes that feel alive, connected to the outdoors, and filled with natural light that changes throughout the day. The modern aesthetic appeals to 2026 buyers. If you look at trending home designs, single-slope roofs dominate the contemporary market. They photograph beautifully, they stand out in neighborhoods, and they signal modern thinking and design-forward choices. For resale purposes in the right markets, this matters. Flexible interior layouts work perfectly with the sloped design. High ceiling areas naturally become living rooms, kitchens, and entertaining spaces. Lower ceiling areas work perfectly for bedrooms, bathrooms, and utility spaces where 10-foot ceilings are more than adequate. This natural zoning creates functional separation without needing complex floor plans. Solar panel optimization is a huge hidden benefit. That continuous slope facing one direction makes your single-slope roof ideal for solar panel installation. Unlike complex roofs with multiple angles, you get one large, uninterrupted surface perfectly positioned for maximum sun exposure. In 2026, with solar incentives and rising energy costs, this matters more than ever. The honest challenges you need to know. Let's be completely honest about the drawbacks because every design has them, and I'm not here to sell you on perfection. Aesthetic limitations exist. Single-slope roofs look modern and contemporary, which means they don't work if you want traditional farmhouse or classic bar aesthetics. Some people simply prefer the look of traditional gable roofs, and that's valid. You need to be comfortable with the modern appearance because it's very distinctive. Zoning and HOA restrictions can be problematic. Some areas, particularly suburban neighborhoods with strict architectural guidelines, may not allow single slope designs or may require traditional-looking roofs. Always check local building codes and HOA rules before committing to this design. In urban heritage preservation areas, single slope structures may not be permitted at all. Interior ceiling design challenges arise from the slope. You'll need to carefully plan furniture placement and room layouts to work with the varying ceiling heights. Hanging light fixtures, ceiling fans, and designing around the slope requires more thought than flat ceilings. Some people find this limiting. Gutter and drainage considerations require planning. Single-slope roofs concentrate all water runoff on one side, which means that side needs robust gutters and drainage systems capable of handling high volumes. During heavy rains, inadequate gutters can become overwhelmed. Proper planning and sizing of gutters is essential, adding $800 to $2,000 to your build compared to simpler systems. One-sided weather exposure means your high wall takes the full brunt of wind and weather from one direction. In hurricane-prone or high-wind areas, this can require additional structural reinforcement. The low side may also create areas where snow accumulates against the wall if not properly designed with adequate overhang. Limited attic storage compared to traditional roofs. Gable and gambrel roofs create usable attic space for storage. Single-slope roofs don't provide this same storage capacity. If attic storage is important to you, you'll need to plan alternative storage solutions within your living space. Popular sizes and what works best. Let's talk about what sizes work best for single-slope barndominiums based on real-world builds in 2026. For a 30 by 40 single-slope barndominium at 1,200 square feet, you're looking at a perfect starter home or small family residence. This size works excellently with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and open living areas. The single-slope design makes this modest size feel much larger. Turnkey costs run $114,000 to $174,000 with mid-range finishes. The 40 by 60 size at 2,400 square feet is the sweet spot for most families. You can comfortably fit 3 to 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3 bathrooms, and still have generous open living areas. The high side accommodates a stunning great room, while the low side houses private bedrooms. This is where single-slope design really shines. Turnkey costs run $228,000 to $348,000. A 50 by 70 single-slope barndominium at 3,500 square feet gives you luxury space. You're looking at 4 to 5 bedrooms, 3 to 4 bathrooms, possible office space, and massive entertaining areas. The scale of the single slope becomes truly dramatic at this size. Turnkey costs run $332,500 to $511,000. The key with single slope design is that larger sizes amplify the dramatic effect. The longer your roof line, the more impressive the visual impact and the more natural light you can capture through that high wall. Real-world examples and what makes them work. Here's what's actually being built in 2026. Modern single-slope barndominiums are incorporating floor-to-ceiling windows on the high side, with stunning views, polished concrete floors that complement the industrial aesthetic, exposed metal trusses painted black or left natural for visual interest, and minimalist interior finishes that let the architecture be the star. Successful builds positioned the high side facing south or southeast for maximum natural light and passive solar heating in winter. They use the low side for bedroom wings where lower ceilings create intimate, cozy sleeping areas. They install large sliding glass doors on the high side that open to covered patios, extending living space outdoors. They use the slope creatively for mezzanine or loft spaces that take advantage of the height without requiring full second stories. Who should build single-slope barndominiums? This design is perfect if you want modern, contemporary aesthetics over traditional barn looks, you value natural light and open, airy spaces, You're building in rural or suburban areas with flexible building codes. You appreciate efficiency and cost-effectiveness. You want a distinctive home that stands out, or you're planning to install solar panels. This design might not be for you if you prefer traditional farmhouse or classic barn aesthetics. You're in an HOA or area with strict architectural controls. You need maximum attic storage space. You're uncomfortable with dramatic modern design, or you're building in areas with extreme weather requiring specific roof types. Single-slope Barndominium design represents one of the most efficient, cost-effective, and visually striking ways to build a custom home in 2026. The combination of construction simplicity, material efficiency, dramatic aesthetics, and functional advantages makes this design a smart choice for the right buyer in the right location. The 15 to 20% cost savings on construction, the 30 to 40% faster build time, the exceptional natural lighting, and a modern aesthetic create compelling reasons to seriously consider this design. Yes, there are limitations, and it's not for everyone, but for those who embrace contemporary design and value efficiency, single-slope Barndominiums deliver exceptional value. If you're seriously considering this, verify local building codes, visit completed single-slope Barndominiums if possible, work with architects or designers experienced in this style, plan your orientation carefully for maximum natural light, and budget properly for the right gutters and drainage. Remember, your home is likely your largest investment. Choose a design that matches your lifestyle, your aesthetic preferences, and your functional needs. Single-slope Barndominiums offer a unique combination of all three when done right. If you found this breakdown valuable, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe because I'm bringing you more honest, detailed content about building affordable, efficient homes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.